Hey cruisers, Steve here with Little Red Thread Travel, a Dream Vacations franchise. Today we're stepping into Stateroom 11130, a Category 1N Ocean View stateroom on Royal Caribbean's newest Oasis-class ship, the Utopia of the Seas. Located on Deck 11, forward port side, this stateroom is less than a minute from the elevators, super convenient for getting around the ship. It's also right next door to an Ultra Spacious Ocean View stateroom that sleeps up to 6. It's a great setup for larger families who want some space. You'll find a clickable link to that tour at the end of this video. As you enter, you'll see the room features 2 twin beds that convert to a Royal King, with a large flat screen TV across from the bed. Next up, a sofa bed, a handy writing desk, and this beautiful porthole window. The view is partially obstructed, but it still brings in a ton of natural light. There's plenty of storage too, from the closet with shelves and a safe, to extra space under the beds for luggage. And the bathroom has all the essentials: shower, vanity, and shelving to keep things organized. If you've stayed in the stateroom, drop a ship emoji. Thinking about booking it? Hit us with a bed or heart emoji in the comments. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and contact Little Red Thread Travel to book your next cruise adventure. See you in the next video.